The power of smile. Even the smallest gestures, like a smile or a helping hand, can make a big difference in someone's day. Ramu was a busy professional who lived in a bustling city. Every day he would take the same route to work, passing by a small street vendor who sold flowers. One day, as Ramu was rushing to work, he noticed the vendor, an elderly woman, struggling to arrange her flowers. Without thinking, Ramu stopped and helped her, earning a warm smile from the vendor. From that day on, Ramu made it a point to stop by the vendor's stall every morning and help her arrange her flowers. The vendor, whose name was Neela, was grateful for Ramu's kindness and would often give him a free flower to brighten up his day. As the days turned into weeks, Ramu noticed that Neela's flowers were bringing joy to not just him, but to everyone around him. His co-workers would comment on the beautiful flowers he would bring to the office, and his neighbors would smile as they passed by Neela's stall. One day, Ramu's boss, who had been going through a tough time, was particularly moved by the flowers Ramu had brought to the office. The boss was so touched by Ramu's kindness that he decided to donate to a local charity that helped street vendors like Neela. The donation ended up making a huge difference in the lives of many street vendors, providing them with better living conditions and more opportunities to sell their wares. Ramu's small act of kindness had sparked a chain reaction of good deeds, making a big difference in the lives of many people. Small acts of kindness can have a profound impact on the lives of others. One person's action can inspire others to do good, creating a ripple effect of kindness